Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss Microsoft Copilot licensing. How to license Microsoft Copilot in your organization. Licensing Microsoft Copilot varies based on the specific product. There is no single, unified Copilot license that covers all Copilot tools. Instead, licensing depends on the individual product's requirements and availability. Warning sign note: at the time of recording this course, August 2023, not all licensing plans had been announced, as several Copilot offerings are still in private preview. Microsoft typically shares full licensing details once a product reaches general availability. Also, licensing policies can change frequently. Always check with your licensing professional to get the latest, most accurate information. 1. Power Platform Copilot Licensing. Power Virtual Agents Copilot. Included with a paid Power Virtual Agents subscription. Not included with a Power Virtual Agents in Teams plan, bundled with some Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Other Power Platform Copilots. Licensing details not yet announced as of August 2023. Link symbol: check the slides for the most current Power Platform licensing information. 2. Microsoft 365 Copilot Licensing. Base license requirement. You must already have one of the following: Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 Enterprise, Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Business Premium SMBs. Add-on license. Microsoft 365 Copilot is not included in the base license. Requires a separate add-on license at $30 per user month. Important note: Teams meeting recap. Not included in the Copilot license. Available only with Teams Premium, a separate add-on license. 3. Viva Copilot Licensing. Currently in private preview. No licensing information available yet. 4. Dynamics 365 Copilot Licensing. Sales Copilot. Included with Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise, Dynamics 365 Sales Premium. Available as an add-on for other Dynamics 365 licenses. Other Dynamics 365 Copilots. Microsoft has stated these will follow a similar model. Included in respective premium licenses. Available as add-ons for other licenses. No specific details announced yet. 5. Security Copilot Licensing. Still in private preview. Licensing details not available at the time of recording. 6. Windows Copilot Licensing. Included with Windows, starting from the Windows 11 23H to update Fall 2023. If your organization uses Bing Chat Enterprise, Windows Copilot will integrate with it. 7. GitHub Copilot Licensing. Copilot for Business. $19 per user month. More info available on the GitHub pricing page, link in slides. 8. Bing Chat Enterprise Licensing. Included by default with Microsoft 365 E3 and E5, Microsoft 365 Business Premium and Business Standard. Microsoft has announced a standalone subscription will be available in the future. Banknote with $5 per user month. Hourglass with flowing SINT not available at the time of recording. Final reminder: licensing is dynamic, especially for preview products. Always confirm with your licensing specialist to ensure you're working with the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.